Good morning! In today's video, I have my no foundation makeup routine. I have no makeup on right now, and this is a quick, super simple, easy routine out the door. If you don't like wearing foundation, this is for you. If you just want something lightweight and easy, this is for you. If you like heavy coverage, I think this still will be for you because it's still pretty heavy coverage. You'll see how much it covers on my face, and it looks good at the same time. So let's begin. How do I look? Okay, so we're starting off with no makeup on the face because you need a fresh face to do everything. Hair, hello. So I'm starting off with my moisturizer. Now this is the Pro Strength by Urban Skin RX Hydra Balance Instant Moisture Infusion Moisturizer. Honestly, just started using this. I was using that dermatological one. If you guys didn't see that last video, my last makeup video, I'll link it. This one is supposed to be super hydrating, and it is. So if you have dry skin, definitely recommend this. But y'all remember that I have combination oily skin, and I still love this product. So I like to just apply it all over my face like so. Bam, bam. I feel like when you apply moisturizer, you can't look cute. Like, you're not gonna look cute, so don't try to look cute, okay? Okay, let's move on. Okay, a quick little tip for you. You want your makeup to look even more flawless with less product on it. Put your moisturizer on and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes so it really soaks into your skin and really hydrates your skin and protect your skin before we actually put makeup on. I learned that in college because I studied cosmetics. Cosmetics, chemistry, marketing, hello. Everything with cosmetics, like product development, making cosmetics, literally chemistry class. Despised it, but that's okay. We are here now. So let's move on. So for the concealer I've been loving and I've been using so much is this one from Fenty Beauty. Now this is a Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in 440. That's the color I use. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this under my eye like so. You see that? Okay. I'm also gonna apply it under my other eye like so. Forehead area. Someone's walking their dog. Hello. Chin area. My dream dog, you guys, is a golden doodle. Listen, don't know when that will happen, but it's my dream dog, okay? I'm gonna take a beauty sponge. This one is just one from Amazon. I'll put the link down below for you guys. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out this concealer under my eyes and anywhere else that I put it. When I was growing up, my parents always said, no dog. And I know why no dog, because they're a lot of work. They're like a child, a lot of work. It's a blessing, but a lot of work. So one step at a time, okay. And if you can see, the way I'm blending out this concealer is I'm just dabbing it onto the skin to help for it to look even more flawless and just lay very beautiful on the skin, okay? I always recommend dabbing techniques instead of swabbing techniques. Dab this into the skin and it looks like I'm not even wearing much concealer or anything. But I think what I'm going to do just for this video, because I want to show you how much coverage a concealer can do, I'm going to go with a little bit more of this concealer. I'm going to put a little bit on the sides of my face where I have a bit more dark spots there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. So we're just going to go ahead and dab that in also. Dab, 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 dab. Done. I think so. That was concealer, so that's finished. Praise the Lord. Now we're gonna set the skin. So to set the skin, I'm using these Black Radiance Soft Focus Powder. Now I use a lighter color and I use a darker color. So the first color I'm going into is the lighter color. And I use a different sponge. Now the sponges that I'm gonna list down below, they come in 4 from when I bought them on Amazon. If I can still find them, I will put them all together. Dab this under the eyes. Again, we're using dabbing techniques to set that area. Now you can use a translucent powder if you'd like to. Sometimes I do, but 9 times out of 10 I use a powder that's similar to my skin tone, especially that we're not doing foundation. Okay, now we're just gonna go into this powder right here. This is a darker powder. I'm using this Real Techniques brush. Now you can use that same beauty blender also, but I just feel like a brush helps to apply this product, especially that we're using this to contour the skin, more better than a sponge. So we're just gonna apply it like this. Again, my method and my routine is always dabbing, never swiping. Now, when I feel like I apply it at the forehead, I felt like I had a lot of product on there. So this is where I'm dabbing just to blend it and buff it out a little bit. Okay. I'm going to apply a little bit by the nose area also. Okay, lastly, we're going to apply blush and highlight. For blush, I'm using the Morphe blush palette. One of my favorites because it's so easy. It has every color that you would want, I would think, in the palette. Apply a little bit of it to my cheeks to add some color. Then for my highlight palette, I'm using this LC Cosmetics highlight palette in Copper Rays. And just apply it where I want that natural highlight on the skin. So this is a skin, literally no foundation, a perfect go-to spring, summer foundation look vibe kind of thing. Especially now in ATL, it's still kind of like, the weather here is like 70 to 80 degrees and it's pretty nice. So it's very quick, very easy. Now I'm going to do the rest of my face and I will be right back. Alright guys, so this is my final look. I just threw on some lashes, some brows, and kept it very, very simple-ish. Because usually when I do this look, I don't even put on lashes. I just put a little mascara and call it a day, okay? But I thought we would glam it up a little. But yeah, definitely go ahead and try this look out more than ever, okay? If you don't want to wear foundation, if it's too hot to wear foundation, if it's just you don't like the look of foundation on your skin, these products literally stay on my skin all day. So get yourself a heavy-duty concealer, the Fenty Pro Filter Concealer. Bomb. And also make sure these powders from Black Radiance, bomb. Very simple, very easy, but again, I'm not wearing any foundation, okay? No foundation, just really concealer and powder, and this stays on my face all day. Like, it doesn't move around. It's not one of those routines that move around. So if you can get like exactly like all these products right here, like that concealer from Fenty, or even another heavy duty concealer, and then those Black Radiance powder, they're just $6 and totally worth it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my bathroom, and I'll see you guys in my next video.